In this video, we will cover the DS method to check your calculations. DS stands for digit sum. You will be able to check the answers of your addition, subtraction, multiplication and division problems quickly using this DS method. Digit sum is simply the sum of all digits in a number. For example, the digit sum of 213 is 6. You get this by adding 2 plus 1 plus 3, which gives 6. Digit sum should be a single digit number. For example, the digit sum of 2134 is 1. You get this by adding 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4, which gives 10. Since the digit sum is a single number, we also add 1 plus 0 to give 1. And 1 is the digit sum of 2134. You should ignore the number 9 when adding across. You can also ignore the digits which add up to 9. Example 1 and 8 or 3, 4 and 2. Your digit sum will be the same irrespective of whether or not you ignore the individual numbers. Let us practice finding the digit sum with a few examples. Remember that the digit sum is the sum of all digits in a number. Find the digit sum of 122. We add 1 plus 2 plus 2 to get the digit sum 5. We also learned that the digit sum should be a single digit number. Find the digit sum of 671. We add 6 plus 7 plus 1 to get 14. Since digit sum should be a single number, we add 1 and 4 to get 5. We learned that in adding across numbers, you should ignore all 9s. Find the digit sum of 9999. Since all numbers are 9, we will ignore every number to get the digit sum as 0. We learned that you can ignore the numbers which add up to 9, but you will get the same digit sum even if you don't ignore them. Find the digit sum of 1723. We should add 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3, but we can ignore 7 plus 2 since it adds up to 9. So the digit sum becomes 1 plus 3 equal to 4. If instead we added all the numbers 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3, we would get 13. Since the digit sum should be a single digit number, we can add 1 plus 3 to get the same digit sum 4 had we ignored 7 and 2. When you're adding a number across to find the digit sum and when your running total reaches 2 digits, you can add the 2 digits of the running total together and go ahead with calculating the digit sum using a single figure as your new running total. Decimal works the same way as normal numbers. The decimal point will have no effect on the digit sum. The rule for checking your answers with the digit sum is simple. Whatever you do to the numbers, add, subtract, multiply or divide, also do to the digit sum of the numbers. The result you get from the digit sum of the numbers should be equal to the digit sum of the answer. Let us look at an example to understand the method. Let us check if the sum of 93 plus 11 is equal to 104 without explicitly calculating it. Whatever you do to the numbers, also do to the digit sum of the numbers. So, dropping 9 from 93, we get the digit sum of 93 as 3. Adding the 2 digits of 11, we get the digit sum of 11 as 2. Adding 3 plus 2, we get 5. The addition is correct because 5 is also the digit sum of 104, which is got by adding 1 plus 0 plus 4. Let us check if the difference between 93 minus 11 is equal to 82 without explicitly calculating it. Whatever you do to the digit sum, also do to the digit sum of the numbers. So dropping 9 from 93, we get the digit sum of 93 as 3. Adding the 2 digits of 11, we get the digit sum of 11 as 2. Subtracting 3 minus 2, we get 1. The digit sum of the answer 82 is also 1, which is got by adding 8 plus 2, which gives 10, and adding 1 plus 0, which gives 1. So the subtraction is correct.
Sometimes the subtraction of the digit sum results in a negative number. If the subtraction of the digit sum is negative, add 9 to the negative number. Let's look at an example. Let us check if the difference between 23 minus 17 is equal to 6 without explicitly calculating it. Whatever you do to the numbers, also do to the digit sum of the numbers. So adding 2 and 3 in 23, we get the digit sum of 23 as 5. Adding the 2 digits of 17, we get the digit sum of 17 as 8. Subtracting 5 minus 8, we get minus 3. If the subtraction of the digit sum is negative, add 9 to the negative number. So adding 9 to minus 3, we get 6. The digit sum of the answer is also 6, so the subtraction is done correctly.
Let us check if 93 multiplied by 11 is equal to 1023 without explicitly calculating it. Whatever you do to the numbers, also do to the digit sum of the numbers. So dropping 9 from 93, we get the digit sum of 93 as 3. Also adding the two digits of 11, we get the digit sum of 11 as 2. Multiply 3 and 2, we get 6. The multiplication is correct because 6 is also the digit sum of 1023, which is got by adding 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3, which gives 6. Let us check if the division of 110 by 11 is equal to 10 without explicitly calculating it. Whatever you do to the numbers, also do to the digit sum of the numbers. Adding the 3 digits of 110, we get the digit sum of 110 as 2. Adding the 2 digits of 11, we get the digit sum of 11 as 2. Divide 2 by 2, we get 1. The digit sum of the answer 10 is also 1, so the division is done correctly. Watch this lecture again if necessary. Practice will make using these techniques effortless and easy. If you have any questions, clarifications or feedback on this lecture, post it in the discussion section. If you have enjoyed the course so far, do leave a review for other future students so they might also benefit from this course.